I welcome you to Village Health Clinic social media education platform. And today we are going to learn one interesting topic that will make you happy, right? Yeah, sometimes our kids will be having some skin conditions and you wonder what can you do to take it out, because sometimes just infants or these young babies having such problem and you don't know how to take it out from the system, right? And sometimes you wonder how you can do something at home to reduce the inflammation or reduce the rashes on the body. Now, today we are going to learn about natural remedies for skin rashes. Right, that's simple. We are going to learn about it, and you can do it at home. Natural remedies for skin rashes. My name is Dr. Anono. You can like and follow our page. Go to our videos. You can go to our YouTube channel where you can get detailed information on some of the things that we teach here. Or you can follow us on the television on the Movement TV every Wednesday 7 to 8 and Light TV 2 every Tuesdays 10 to 11 p.m. Yeah, and today natural remedies for rashes we are going to talk about. Right, it's very simple. Get Shea butter. Melt Shea butter like 2 scoops or 2 tablespoons of Shea butter. After melting it, you get turmeric powder from the market, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix it with the Shea butter. Apply it on the rashes and everything is gone. Eczema, rashes, everything that is on the skin. This is a pure medication I've taught you. It works perfectly. Your skin will be very radiant. Thank you very much. My name is Dr. Anobi. You can follow our videos for more times. Bye.